सोनसोडो हांगासरल्या आदल्या डंपांतल्यान कचरो हाताळपाक वेगवेगळ्या विभागान आनी एजन्सींनी संयुक्तपणान जमनीची पळोवणी केली. सोनसोडो सामकार जी जमीन आसा त्या जमनीची पळोवणी करपाक रायगांवच्या थळाव्यांचो बरोच विरोध आसा. ह्या जमनी खातीर मडगांव पालिकेन उच्च न्यायालयान प्रतिज्ञापत्र सादर केलां. आरडीएक्स ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
But can I just
Yeah, let him speak.
we are just coming to see the feasibility of using the place.
When it is clearly declared as a non-development slope, what feasibility are you talking about?
Department. So you can't do this inspection because it
And
is
who are you to stop
identified
me?
as forest. No, I'm telling you.
We are just come to see.
No, your inspection will be worthless.
And what
You have to
MLA
get the
will take the
concerned
care of
authorities.
your this or you.
This is all identified as private forest.
So to be box full here. I mean, we only to see now.
No, but see, sir, he's
you
saying.
can't even
Listen, 1 minute. I am the ZP member of this area. I just would like to tell you one thing. Now, your Mamladar is saying that you have come to see the place. But your workers, MMC workers, were already clearing the place.